Hello guys, this is Kevin, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your desktop look like macOS Big Sur. Okay, just had to fix something. I just had to delete some previous videos, so when I stop the video, yep, there won't be any problems. So wait a sec. Okay, so first step is to go to your web browser and click the link that I leave in the description. You guys can continue updating me in the comments to tell me if the link doesn't work, and I'll just keep on re-uploading it. But this is what you're going to download. Yes, the file size is big, but that's fine. So it depends on your internet speeds, and as you can see, it's downloading. It only takes 60 more seconds, so there's no point in pausing the video. Yeah, and also guys, tell me if you guys want a tutorial on how to reverse this, because sometimes people mess up when they try to, and it will always ending up badly. So yeah. Okay, so once we've got this file, we're gonna drag and drop this there. Okay, now we're back. So make sure that you have WinRAR or 7-zip, sorry. This will help you unpack all the files inside. So there's going to be this folder. You can just drag and drop that onto your desktop. You can keep this there just in case anything happens. Now what we're going to do is we're going to follow these in the order that I've put them. So first thing that we're going to get is Secure UX Theme. This lets us install custom themes onto our computer/laptop. So we're going to open this up. It says 01. Yep, just press yes, press I agree, and then press install. As you can see, it says successfully installed, please reboot. So I will be doing just that. So I'll see you guys after I restart the computer. Okay guys, so I just finished rebooting my computer, laptop, sorry, and the next thing that we're going to do is open up the folder again, and we have this, the Big Sur Windows 10 Suite by Nivu. So now we're just going to open that, and we're just going to drag and drop it into that folder. A little tip I'll have is to not delete this folder, because we'll be hiding the icons and it might come useful, especially when I do the how to uninstall tutorial tomorrow. So let's open this, and we're going to right click on this PC and press open in new window, and then from there we're going to double click there, and we're going to double click on users, and then we're going to click Windows, and then we're going to go to resources, after resources, themes, and then we're going to open up themes, thin taskbar, and we're going to drag and drop that into here. Now you can just press continue, and that will add everything in there. Now that we've dragged and dropped that in, we're going to go back out here. Oh come on, well, I'm saying this now, you guys can quickly uninstall Secure UX, but a good thing, well, since Secure UX is already installed and there's been no problems, that's fine. But this is something I'm going to tell you right now. Type in restore point, create a restore point, and then press create, and then type it in before Big Sur, press create, and it'll say creating a restore point. Just give it some time, and create a restore point of your registry, all your files, and all your settings. So we can press close, and we can press OK. Now that we've got all that done, sorry, I should have done that earlier, I know, my bad, but since we only just installed UX theme, I guess it's still fine. So we're going to click on it again, and we're not going to install it. We're going to click start theme tool, and if we click this drop down, as you can see, there's all this, right? We're going to select the one that we like. I'm gonna select Big Sur Day because that's my favorite one out of all of them. So just gonna click patch and apply. It's probably gonna show black on your screen, but as you can see, all these icons have been changed. Let me just exit out of OBS. Like that. See, press apply. We already have. So it's all been patched. Now we can press close. Okay, next step. It's going to be changing this. So we're just going to set this image as your background, and we've got the Big Sur background. This is going to be okay. Like, make sure that this is at near the point where you have to make sure that you already have 70s. You already have made a restore point, because it's at this moment that you might want to go back to previous points. Let's just say that it crashes. So we're gonna press yes. So we're just gonna change that to exe, as you guys just saw, and we're also going to open this. So we're gonna press open, and as you can see, the 70sp MacBack light mode and dark mode. I'm gonna pick light mode because I like it better, and so we're just gonna exit and see that remove. We're gonna rename, and then we're gonna change it to remove. And also a quick tip that you can do is gonna be clicking on view, and then clicking on full screening it, pressing view, and select file name extensions and hidden items, because they're gonna help. Okay, so now that we've unboxed or unzipped these things, don't unzip this if you have 7-zip or WinRAR. So we're just gonna open 70sp. It's gonna bring up a black screen on yours. It's just an admin prompt, and I just had to make sure that I was still recording. So we're gonna go back here. As you can see, it says this. I've already tried this 70sp Windows. It was to revert back to the Windows theme. As I said, I'll teach you guys how to do this later, how to get the Windows themes. But we're gonna press add a custom pack, and we're going to navigate to our desktop, the macOS folder that I made, and then we can click 70sp MacPack Light Mode.7z, and we're going to click open, and then we're going to wait, and as you can see, that shows up. We're going to click settings. We already made a restore point. You guys can make another restore point, so we'll just we always need the security of the restore point, so I'm going to create another one. No, 2, just press create. We always need the restore point. If anything happens, we will need this. So press close, and then press OK, and then press save. Make sure that's unchecked. Create new restore point when patching. Press save, and we're going to, I'm going to be pausing the video, but you want to click start patching. It's going to take a while depending on your PC. Mine has an i5 integrated graphics, so it usually takes like 5-10 minutes, but I'll see you guys when this is done. Okay guys, so this just finished the icon pack thing. So yeah, as you can see, there's been no changes. If we click on 70sp, it will say, I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, I can see it now. It says please reboot Windows S7EN for the changes to take full effect, and you can press reboot. So I'm just gonna stop this recording and press the reboot button. Okay, so now that we have finished, you'll see this. This system has been patched. We're just gonna click OK. So that's after the reboot. Now, as you can see, these icons have changed. That's changed. Well, let's empty the recycle bin. Yep. And as you can see, that's clear. If we open this up, it's gonna look so. I mean, look at those icons. It looks so good. But besides the point, that's that done. And those are the hard parts done, basically. And the next step that we are going to do is the rain meter. So rain meter basically just makes it like the widgets on the side and everywhere, I guess. So we're just gonna open rain meter 4.3.1. We're gonna press OK. Standard installation. Launch rain meter on startup. I would recommend that because I'm gonna fully transform my computer. well, you can click run rain meter, and as you can see, sorry about that loud noise, but as you can see, there's these weird things around. So we're gonna right click on them and press unload skin onto all of them. So we're just gonna click on unload, because we won't be using Illustrator skins. So we're going to be opening up this again, and we will be opening this. Now we're going to well, make a new folder for it here. So just click that button and call it Big Sur rain meter, I guess. And as I said, keep this folder. You do not want to remove it, just in case we need to do some backwards uninstallation. So we're just gonna click on bigsur.rm skin, press apply. Well, yeah, make sure that all of this is checked, press install. So this is rain meter, make sure that it's still booted or on. And so it depends on the version of icons you chose. I chose light mode, so we're just gonna tick that, and as you can see, it's light. Apply theme. The background is changed, and you've got all these widgets. So I'll be customizing these and also showing you what my settings are. So first, let's set this back to the original Big Sur background. If you don't want it to, then you can just keep it as that, but I like this much better. So what I'll do is I'll close all these apps and only have the necessities. So we're gonna click on add and then widgets, or just shortcuts, and I'll be adding Chrome. Let's see here, Word, if I can find it. I won't be using any of these. No Discord. Honestly, maybe settings. Well, I've already added Word and Chrome, so settings, and we could also add Visual Studio Code, because I like Visual Studio Code. Very nice. So exit, and what we're going to do is we're just going to drag them over here to this group of apps, and then I also don't want I don't want this, and I also want this to be the alternative. And to change this, we're gonna press settings, and my player, I use Spotify, so we're gonna apply this instead. And well, I will be replacing the clock because we've already got a clock here. We're gonna be clicking there, and I'm gonna be adding my battery widget because it's very good to keep track of your battery. So shortcuts, widgets, and the battery widget is on 100%, which is very nice. And also I like to drag these to the corner of the screen. So there you go. And also something that I'm gonna do just right now is unlock the taskbar, drag that to the top, and now we're gonna lock the taskbar. And as you can see, we're gonna have to adjust this a bit more, but it's as long as you did that step right then it should be fine. So just snap that. All of these lock into place, so it's very nice. We can also move that there too. For some reason I can't change the calendar, but as you can see, we've got that. Well, yeah, that's fine. I guess we can move it on to the left a bit, I guess. But okay, just so if this part's taking a bit too long, just want to customize it and show you how I would have done it, just in case anybody wants to do it how I would have done it. But as you can see, that's all that. And so the next step will be opening this. Okay, so next thing that we will be doing is the Nexus. So we're going to click on open, and we'll be dragging and dropping this into the folder, and we'll be double clicking this. I'll be telling something now. We'll be using a crack of not this program but Start is Black the start is back plus plus. You guys don't have to do it, but I just don't like the 30-day trial warning that I get every single time. So we're just gonna click next, install, and 3, 2, 1, registering files. We're gonna launch Nexus, and we won't be making any major changes. It looks ugly, I know, so instead we're just gonna right click, and then we're gonna do screen position, and we're going to do bottom screen edge. We'll be changing this to the macOS dock after we're done with old is new and start is back. So we're gonna create another folder called old is new. So what this does is it changes the Explorer to look like the older Explorer, and I guess that makes it look closer to Big Sur. So we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna open this, and we're going to pick we're gonna uncheck these two, and we're gonna select these, only these. So just make sure to remember that, don't change anything, okay, apart from these, okay? So you can press install, and you could see a black screen. It's just an admin prompt, and we're gonna click on yes. Now we can wait, and wait, no, it's showing another one. Yes, okay, now it's been installed. We can press close, and as you can see, it's sort of changed. If we click on, well, if we exit the folder app, we go back into it, it should be different. I guess it's after a reboot time, guessing, but restart, and make sure that all these programs boot on startup that you have. Now the next one that we have is start is back, so we can just drag that into that, and I'll be running you through how to crack it through too. So we're just gonna open this folder, running this, install for me, okay, making sure that's viewable on the OBS, so making sure that it's only for me, okay. So clicking that, it's gonna do some weird things, and as you can see, they're much thicker. We're gonna press close, and we're going to open this folder. Well, first we're gonna hold Windows and press R. This will open this, and as you can see, this is the oldest start. If you guys know Windows XP, that's what it looks like. We're gonna type in app data just by itself without the percentage, and we're gonna click local and type in S, and that should you should see start is back, and as you can see, all that's there. So if we open this folder, there'll be msimg32.dll. You guys can whitelist this only if your antivirus blocks it, but mine isn't, so I'm guessing that yours won't too. Now if we exit this and open, well, if we right click and press properties to the taskbar, as you can see, we've got this, and if we press about, your license is activated. This is very great. And now we can click on start menu, and we're going to click on appearance, and we will be adding a new one. So if we go to desktop, and then Big Sur, and then Big Sur Windows 10 Suite, start orbs, we're going to pick the version that we need. Mine's Apple Light because I'm not using dark mode, and then we're going to click here, and we're going to press apply. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do use custom taskbar coloring, and then press that to clear. I'll be putting mine at 30%, but you guys can adjust yours. Well, I'm actually 25 works for me, and yeah, that's about all you need to do there. And then we're gonna press OK, and now we're gonna click on taskbar settings, and we're gonna click automatically. Well, no, we're gonna click on use small taskbar buttons, and that should shrink that down, leading to more space on the desktop. And I guess now it's time to fix that ugly dock. So we're gonna right click on this dock, and we're gonna press preferences, advanced, restore, and we're going to navigate this to our desktop. Open this folder and see this. We're going to click open, and we're going to click themes, and then we're going to click themes here, and if we scroll down, wait a second, is it broken? Okay, just oh, I get what it is. So sorry about this, I sort of missed a step in this tutorial. We're gonna open Google. I'm gonna quickly switch to my main account. Yes, this is gonna be cringy, but we're going to search Clayton PR Nexus dock. I'll be actually including this in the download. I just forgot to install it, so you can press download, and we're going to click here. Well, and we'll be opening this, and then we'll be dragging, and well, we'll only need this, because this is already set up most of it. So if we click on preferences and we click on open folder, we can click here, and then we can click on backgrounds, and here what we're going to do is we're going to open preferred extraction app preferred extraction app, and we're going to open, well, if I could just find it, I'm gonna open what we just downloaded. Sorry about this, I'm stuffing up so bad. Okay, well, now we can open the other folder, Windows Explorer. Here it is. Well, sorry about this, so bad. All the other, okay, here you go, and we're just going to drag and drop macOS dock for Nexus, not into that, but actually into the backgrounds folder, and I'll be including this into the actual thing. So now if we click on effects and then themes again, themes, and then we can click macOS dock for Nexus dock, and then clicking on color settings, no colorization, do color, colorize with dominant color of desktop background, press OK, and then we're gonna press apply. And yep, so what we can do is we can remove from dock, move and remove, and what are these? Okay, so now what we can do, we can exit this one and also this one. I'll be updating the mega link, I'll be changing the file inside it. Sorry about the confusion, but next thing that we're going to do is click here, and we're also going to be clicking, we'll be dragging across, we don't need Chrome because we already have it on our thing, File Explorer, link that in there, wait no, link that in the middle tab, and well, we'll just be linking everything that we want, so Minecraft, sure, Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock, I know Citra, well no, I've already linked Citra, so Word, maybe, nah, I don't use it, Brave, I'll use, no Chrome, Microsoft Edge maybe, and what else, but yeah, that's about it. So, well, we can also put our recycle bin, over here, and as you can see, if we right click here, press view, and press this is what we get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. There was a little muddle up, but as I said, I'll add this, so let me quickly run over that for you just in case it didn't make sense. So there'll be so once you've enabled those settings, you're gonna open click on my downloads. Well, you'll be opening this and then opening that and then clicking macOS dock and dragging that into this folder, ASRC users public documents, WinStep, Nexus, and backgrounds. So in this folder you'll be dragging and dropping macOS dock for Nexus dock, and then you're going to be applying that as the background only after you've applied the settings. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, Again, I'm saying this for the second time, but yeah, like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and subscribe if you want to join the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.